$1,000. 30 years. No extra contributions. Guess what it becomes? $17,449. You invested $1,000, one single time, and walked away with $17,000. No extra work. No extra money added. Just time. This is called compound interest. And it is why people who start investing at 25 end up with 7 times more money than people who start at 40, investing the exact same amount every month. Here is the part nobody talks about. Compound interest also works in reverse, against you. A credit card at 24% interest means your debt doubles every 3 years if you do not pay it off. Compound interest is either your greatest ally, or your biggest enemy. It depends entirely on which side of it you are on. Get on the right side, follow Grow Your Wealth for a money tip every single day. And if this surprised you, share it with one person who needs to hear it. See you tomorrow.